Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add categories and tags to WordPress pages. So let's get started. However, if you don't have a free account, there is a link in the video description below to get started with a free account. So let's begin. Now, in order to add categories and tags to your WordPress page, make sure that you are logged into your dashboard. And from the dashboard, you can easily add categories to your posts. However, if you want to add categories to your pages, then it's a bit complicated. So in order to do this, we are going to need a plugin. So let's go to plugins and then click on add new plugin. After here, we are going to search for the plugin. After searching for the plugin, we are going to have the pages with category and tag plugin. Now what we're going to do is we are going to install this plugin. So after the plugin has been installed, we are going to activate the plugin. Now, after the plugin is activated, we are going to all of our pages. And now we can categorize our pages too. So let's go to our Contact Us page and click on Edit. Now we are going to scroll down on the page section. And then we are going to expand the categories. From here, we are going to create a new category for our page. So we're going to give a category name and then hit enter. And as you can see, this page is now belonging under our category. And also, if you want to add any tag for your page, you can just expand the tag section and add a tag. So I'm going to add tag page and hit enter. And then we are going to save. So after that, we are going to go to the WordPress dashboard again and go ahead and check whether our Contact Us page has been added to the category. And as you can see, the Contact Us page is now added to this category pages. So guys, that is how you can add categories and tags to your WordPress pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.